If you couldn't tell already, here at Elite Extra we've been pretty excited about our new headquarters that's on the way. So we made sure to go all out in our groundbreaking ceremony. This meant reflective speeches, exploding confetti cannons, drone-delivered champagne, and a marching band. Oh, you heard that right. A drone and a marching band. Take a look.
I definitely will say a couple things too. 10 years ago, we never would have thought we would have been here. We had just built the second building and it swore to never do another one. And then we pivoted as a company and we started to be a software engineering firm. And probably about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe a little bit longer, I definitely had a dream of wanting to do a building like this because we certainly had found out that as a software company we were winning. And we were watching how hard our staff and our company worked to get to a point where we could potentially work in a space like we're going to be building here. So that part's pretty cool. And kudos to our staff for helping make this happen. I can't tell you how excited we are to give you guys a building in a space like this. You guys have seen what we're doing. So we wouldn't be no reason to do it if we weren't going to be able to do it for you guys. So thanks again. Please give it up to the Eau Claire North Marching Band. Thank you guys for being here today. Can't thank you enough. This is like, we did hear that of all the groundbreakings that have ever been done, nobody's had a marching band. So you guys are making history. The other thing that Elite Extra does that many of you might not know is that we are a dispatching company. So we help companies around the world, I think we're in 5 countries now, deliver products. So we are, one of the things that we talk about is that we are set up in the future to help deliver via autonomous vehicles or drones. So as we kick off the toast and the celebrating toast of this groundbreaking, we have a drone delivering a bottle of champagne in high winds. And it worked without hitting me in the head. So if everybody wants to grab their beverage of choice, we'll give a quick toast. Again, thank you all for being here today. It's really special. It's Friday the 13th and nothing bad has happened quite yet, so that's awesome. You're all welcome to come inside where we do have our 6 feet spacing of beverages and food. But yeah, definitely, again, thanks again, guys, and cheers, and here's to, a successful construction project. Thanks, guys.